All right, quick video on the DSCR loan. This is the debt service ratio loan for investors where we're not going to look at your income history. We're not going to look at your employment history, none of that. We're really just going to be looking at the amount you put down, your credit score, and the amount that you can get or are getting on in rent versus the mortgage payment. So this is an example at $400,000 purchase price with 20% down. Let's say that the mortgage payment with taxes and insurance is $2,850 ballpark. Let's say the current market rent is $2,800. Let's say it's a vacant property. We got an appraisal done, and that's what the appraiser says the market rent is, $2,800. Slightly less than what the mortgage payment is going to be. In this case, we will be okay. Generally, the guideline is that the rent has to be at least 85% of the mortgage payment. We are okay on this scenario. Let's say you picked up a property where the rent, it was in a long-term lease, but the rents were way under market and you don't think it's going to debt service. We can usually waive the debt service requirement where we don't even look at the market rent if you're putting 25% or more down and have good credit and maybe some post-close reserves like 6 months of the mortgage payment in a bank account after closing or even in a retirement account. Some pros of this program is it's simpler because there's no income documentation. We're not going to ask you about your history of employment. You could be retired. We're really not going to care what you do. We're just going to be looking at those factors. And also, if you are a first-time investor where you have not bought a investment property before, in many cases, you will qualify for this loan. So quick recap on the DSCR loan. If you have any questions, please let me know and have a great day.